Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. So in today's video, we're going to make a Ramadan Kareem opener like that. Before starting, please support the channel by liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more videos. And let's begin. So first open After Effects and open the file that I'm going to leave a link to download it in the description. This one, the separated two. And here make sure to make composition retain layer size and import. As you can see here we have our composition, so double click to open it. And over here we have our design. So I'm going to delete these two objects because I don't want them, and I'm also going to delete this background, and I'm going to add a solid, new solid, move it down, and in the effect search for gradient ramp effect and drag it to the solid layer. Change to radial ramp and choose your colors and adjust the points. And now I'm going to start animating these. So let's start with the moon first. I'm going to make it a bit bigger. Click R and Shift T to open the rotation and opacity. Before the 1 second, make a keyframe, go back, maybe the rotation change it like -1. And for the opacity, let's make it 0 here. Select the keyframes and click F9 to easy ease. Open the value graph. Okay, it's looking good for me. Animate the stars. So we need to duplicate this. Control D, and here I'm going to attach this over here, and I'm going to link this to this one. So this one to this. When I move this one, the lamp will move too. And the same for this one, for the star. So the star 7 to 13. When I move this, the star moves too. So we're going to change the anchor point of this wire up. So move it like that. Click R and let's say -5 to 5. And go a bit further and make it 5. Let's see. Okay, nice. Maybe make it longer, and click Alt to add an expression, which is loop out this one, and make two inside the ping pong like that. Now let's see. Make this a bit longer, and let's make easy ease like that. Okay, the same for this one. Nice. Okay, so now I'm going to put each one of these in a pre-composition. So let's find this one like that and make Ctrl Shift C to put it in a pre-comp and make light. And for this one too. So here I'm going to adjust the comp size because it's really big. So I'm going to take this tool like that, and I'm going to draw here, and in the composition make crop comp to region of interest like that. Let's see the animation. And in the light too, the same thing. Now go over here and change the color like. Now I'm going to animate them with the position. F9 to easy ease, and let's see. You can offset them like that. And now I'm going to apply an effect called Deep Glow. I will leave it in the description to download it. And I'm going to add it to the star, to the moon, to the light, and to the text too. So go to the light composition, drag the effect over here, as you can see, like that, and adjust those numbers like me. Okay, it's looking good. So let's copy and paste this, Control C, go to the star, select the star, and Control V. Go to the composition and let's see. But in the star I will add an animation. And the effect, go to the star, make keyframe on the exposure, and here select the layer and click U to open the keyframes. And let's say move a bit further and change the exposure to like 150. Let's add the expression, the same expression, loop out ping pong. So alt click on the stopwatch, here make loop out. And let's see the animation. Move this to the beginning. So it's like blinking. So now let's add the effect to the moon too. So select the layer and Control V. Now we want to duplicate this star composition. So Control D. And open the position keyframe and select them, and now you can change the position of the star and just offset them a bit. Okay, nice. For this one too. Nice, it's looking good for me. Now I want to animate the text. So let's create a shape. Select the text and move the shape object on top of the layer, text layer, and here in the track matte, make alpha matte like that. So now when we move the shape, it doesn't appear. So let's animate it. Make F9 to easy ease and adjust the animation like that. Let's see. The same thing for this one, just okay, nice. Now I'm going to add the deep glow effect. So go to the light, Control C on the deep glow, and the text make Control V, and search for fill effect. Add it on top of the deep glow and change the color to yellow like that. Okay, and then copy and paste this two effect on the other text layer, Control V like that. Let's see. Now let's animate this one. It's going to be a simple rotation, but I'm going to change its color to something like that. and I want another one, so Control D and drag it over here, and let's make an animation on the rotation. So click R, and here just Alt and click and type time. Let's maybe make 20. Nice. Here make copy expression only and go to this layer and Control V. But we want to add some glow. Let's try to add the deep glow. Okay, I want to animate the opacity because I don't want them to appear at the beginning. So select both of them, click T, make keyframe on the opacity, and over here make it 0. Let's see. Click F9 and drag them here. Now you just have to export your video and you're done. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful for you, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Thank you again, and see you in the next video. Peace.